Hello, everyone. I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart here, and I'm seeing a very, very strong potential move down to the 20K level at the 2017 high. If you see here, I have stochastic RSI up, then I have my surge oscillator that I developed up, and you can see that right up here we had a divergence on the stochastic. And by the way, this is the 3-day bars, which tends to be very work very well with the system that I developed. Um, and you can see that the surge, excuse me, it was pointing down here, and it was pointing down here, and the stochastic RSI was pointing down here. And at that time, I was bearish on Bitcoin. But being in the United States, I couldn't trade short, which was quite a shame. But I was able to catch some longs here and right in here a little bit, um, and up in here a little bit. But they didn't really turn out very well, obviously, because we were in a downtrend. And anyway, so you can see that at this particular pattern, this double down pattern of these troughs and peaks, and this divergence here uh, resulted in a very strong move down. And so we had a little bit of a break in the move, which is typical for Elliott waves. And now we're getting the same pattern right up here, and we got these two double down, and I'm expecting to see this move down, breach the trend line here. This should not be an arrow. This should be, well, I can't change it now. Uh, I'm expecting a breach of this trend line and then a very strong move down to the 2017 high. That makes the most sense to me. I don't see any reason to be a buyer down here because stochastic is high and it's also given a divergence. Typically, the divergences tend to be the end of trend points. And so the stochastic is going to come down here and give another divergence before it's time to buy. So it's possible we'll see that come down and do a divergence for a buy down at the $20,000 level. Uh, that's kind of what I'm expecting, and that I don't know what else to say really. Um, I just think that once it breaches this line, it's really going to move fast, and it could move a lot. It can move at this rate here, because once it breached this level here, then we had some very fast moves. Of course, it was moving pretty fast down this time too. Probably because it breached this point here. So that's my recommendation, and for all those who are long, um, I hope I'm wrong for you. I really hope I'm wrong, but there's no way that I'm going to be buying this market at this time anymore. Even these little reaction waves. Right now, I don't see much of a need to try any reaction waves. Okay, so that's my presentation. Thanks. Pardon me, and thank you for watching.